Yeah. Whoa. Yeah, I'm old school. I'm 83, baby. You already know. I just look like this. Yeah, I just look young, man. Yeah, I'm a vampire. But yeah, appreciate it.
I don't say a
Because
vampire.
I'm a 83 baby. Yeah, I'm a vampire, man. I don't age that quick, man. No cap, man. Say like I say, I'm a fidget. Shit, I don't age like the other motherfuckers. Shit, I'm 41 years old. Hell yeah, I'm 41 years old. Shit, what? Hey, rock out, hey, pop out. Ah. Yeah, I'm a vampire. I told y'all, man. They be like, damn, for real? Yeah.
Vampire.
Uh-huh. I'm a fidget.
Yeah, I would say. Let's see.
Keep up the good work, no cap. From D-Town. What to
I know.
Funky Town.
Yeah,
That's what
I
I'm
know.
talking
Century
about, man.
Arms just came out with a some new. It's called a BF. I might have to look it up, man. Give me just a minute.
Is that one like the 5.7?
It's AK 762, and it
Oh
is
man, I've been hearing about they
let's
been
see.
coming now with some shit though Central on, and I've been see, I'm also a Palmetto guy, so yeah, I love my Palmetto. They drop me some on
Oh
some game
well,
every time.
you
They
going
finally
that
got
route,
it to
man?
her.
Yeah,
Yeah, you already know. Yeah, man, that's my main spot,
Palmetto.
man. Like, yeah,
If you want a short one,
that my bros.
they got the AKVs, well AKPs.
Yeah, I know
You
somebody.
know
Yeah,
the
I already
short
know that
versions.
shit.
Yeah,
Yeah, okay. Talk to me, man. Let me know what.
yeah.
Cause shit, I'm trying to catch up. No cap.
But yeah, I
Hell
want
yeah.
one of those. I probably can't get it to next year, but I want that crank, that
Oh.
PSA crank, the small joint.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
but I
saw my,
probably won't be
I
able to get
saw,
it.
I've been seeing a lot of people talking about those, but I'm thinking about getting that goddamn, man, for his pistol. All I've seen is what they call, I think it's the Beretta C1, nice compact. That bill already come with a red dot on the type shit. I'm like, ooh, that bill already nice, about 350 on sale. I'm like, oh, that
Yeah.
one nice little compact, look nice, Joe. I'm like, ooh, yes, I like my compacts, no cap. What's up
What my
with it?
guy say? I got LCD and PPV. Wait, wait a minute.
They they have. They don't smoke shit. They be tripping. For real.
Oh my goodness.
Y'all crazy. Yeah, they full of shit. Then I pull up their channel, they be some goofballs. That's all they got. They be crazy, man. No cap. They be tripping me out, man. No cap. Every time. For real, man. No cap. Represent y'all channel, man. Yeah, man. Go subscribe to my bro channel, y'all. No cap, man. Oh yeah, I got my boy on the channel, y'all. Represent. Pop out right there, y'all. You already know. And he'll monitor so he can look up y'all channel, y'all come on with that goofy shit.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
got
man. You ain't got number 3 subscribers. What you talking about? 49ers. Have 49ers in the house. What's up? Hey, boo. Hey, baby. Hey, Miss Palmer. Hey, boo. Yeah,
Miss
man. We just
Palmer.
represent. Y'all already know, man. We pop out with the bros. Y'all already know how we rocking. Y'all told y'all it's going down. You hear me? We the best, man. I'm gonna get everybody to pop on this live and represent, man. Cause hey, we show love already, baby. They gonna understand, man. We the best channel, man. I show love to everybody. Y'all better come on with it. She said, hey, no cap, man. You hear me? Long as I got my boo on my line, my line still gonna pop. You hear me? No cap, man. What? Who? I ain't seen nobody on their live have a girl on their live. You hear me? Be in their comments. You hear me? Nobody. I did this shit.
Nobody.
Don't be trying to steal my shit, neither. I got my girl on my live, so don't y'all try to copy my shit. Hey, baby. And she a moderator, so she'll kick y'all ass. You better not say no shit. She'll kick your ass out. Bars. Yeah.
That's
Y'all
OG
act like
shit
y'all
right
got
there,
support. I
man.
got my girl support me. Bars. Because she know I'm
That's
a damn
good. That's
fool.
good.
Fuck you, man. Already. That's how we rocking, y'all. No cap, man. My best supporter right there. Bars. Even though she a 49er, I'm a cowboy. Y'all hear me? I'm a cowboy. She a 49er.